Good morning, everyone. We have started the chapter money. Already I explained you what is money, why do we need money, and what is the symbol of money, where in which form money is used in our country. Rupees and paise are the two forms as the Indian currency used. We find money as notes and coins both. So I have shown you the specimen also. So today we will practice to find out the value. It is given in the form of numbers. Suppose you have done in your book with the picture of the notes, but here in your exam it will come like you have to add it up. So we will practice today how to do in an easy way. Everybody you know addition. Now whenever the small digits are there, so there is no problem, you go on forward counting because maximum 3 digits will be there sequentially to add up. But if it is mixed up like 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 1-digit number, the easy process is that in the rough work you arrange them according to the place value system and then you add it up, and when you are writing the answer, don't forget to put the rupee symbol before the number. Then your answer will be correct. If you forget to write down the symbol of the rupees in front of the number and you are simply adding the numbers, then your answer is wrong. Remember this point. Please don't forget to put the rupees symbol. If you are only adding up and writing the answer, you will not get marks because the question is given in the rupees form. So the answer should be also in the rupees form. So let us practice the first one, then you can understand. See, the first question is 5 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 2 rupees. Now 5, they are all 1-digit number. So forget about the rupee symbol. Only you add the number. So here it is 5, here it is 5, and here it is 2. So 5 plus 5 we know 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after 10 you add 2, 11, 12. So I am going to write here 12. If you are writing only 12, you will not get marks or the answer is wrong. So positively you have to put the rupee symbol in front of the number. So the answer will be 12 rupees. When I am giving the symbol, it should be in front of the digit. And if you are writing in spelling, it should be at the back of the number. Next one, see, 10 plus 5, 10 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 10 rupees. Now one is single digit number, another one is 2-digit number. So what you can do, you can add verbally also, or if you feel hard, you can write the rough work, do the rough work and you can add. This question let us do verbally. See, it is the trick. 10 plus 10 is 20 and 20 plus 5 will be 25. So 25 rupees. So first I will put the rupees sign and then I am writing here 25. Okay. Next one. See, 50 rupees plus 50 rupees plus 1 rupee. Now here 2-digit numbers. So what you should do, you should write 50 plus 50 plus 1. According to the place value system we have written here. Now you can add it up. See, here is 5 and 5 plus 5, 10. So the answer is 101. So first put the rupee sign and then write down 101. Next, 100 rupees plus 50 rupees. So you can write here the rough work, you can do the rough work any side. 100 rupees 3-digit number and below you write here 50 rupees. So the answer will be 150 rupees. So put the rupee sign and then write down 150 rupees. Okay. Next one, 5 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 10 rupees. So we have to add these 3 numbers. If you can do verbally, it is very easy. Orally you can, if you count on your finger, it is very easy. If you cannot, feel free to do the rough work, no problem. You do the rough work because it is simple addition. Only the problem is that you have to put the rupee sign. Don't forget to put the rupee sign. So here is 5 rupees plus 2 rupees. After 5 count to 6, 7. So it will become 7, and then you add 10 with 7. So 10, after 10 you have to count 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So it will become 17. So if I am writing only 17, answer is not correct. So what I have to put here? I have to put here the rupee sign. Okay. Next one, 10 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 50 rupees. Now see here 10, 20 and 50. So you can easily do the rough work. 10 plus 20 plus 50. So you add it up. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. And then 1 more, it will become 8. So 80. So it will become 80. 80 rupees. And the last question is 100 rupees plus 100 rupees. Last question will be 100 rupees plus 100 rupees. So what will be the answer? 100 rupees plus 100 rupees is, if you cannot do the rough work, then you will add it up and the answer will become 100 plus 100, it is 200 rupees. Okay. So 100 and 100, it will become 200 rupees. You can do the rough work also. See, 100 plus 100. So you can add it up. 0, 0, 2 zeros and 1 plus 1, it will become 2. So easy. Only put zeros after the numbers and you only add the numbers. So easily you can add 2-digit number or 3-digit numbers. This is one form of questions which may come from money. Another form I have given you already, fill in the blanks. Third form is convert the following. It is very important. In my next video I will teach you to convert the following. It will take 2 classes because in one I will help you to explain you to convert in rupees, from rupees to paisa. Another one I will give rupees and paisa and I will ask you to convert into paisa. And another one I will give you in paisa and you have to convert into rupees. So this process all I will teach you. So don't forget to miss the online classes and don't forget to see the videos which we are making, because here you can understand very easily. If you cannot understand, again you can rewind and again you can hear the videos and you can understand very well. So this way the question will be coming in your exam. Find the value. It is one pattern. Another pattern, fill in the blanks, already I have supplied you. Third pattern is to convert the following. Convert the following I will explain because 3 steps are there in convert the following, that I will explain in my next video. Okay. Thank you children.